Hey folks, what's going on? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. This message right here, you're going to be able to send today if you follow and watch everything that you see in this video here, and you're going to make up to $250, $350 per message here, okay? Now listen, you need to pay close attention to everything that you see in this video here. If you move too fast, you will make $0, okay? So listen, the first thing you need to do is this. Now, understand this. These are messages to help people make money online, to grow their IG, and to make money in other ways. Does that make sense? Your Instagram accounts. But let me show you something that's really fascinating that no one else is doing on the internet right now besides me and a very special group that I'm in, that I pay a ton of money for, but I want to give you these secrets for free here. So I appreciate you smashing the like button. Let's get it, baby. Listen, first site is Fiverr.com. I know you've seen Fiverr.com, okay? Now, this is what they don't tell you about Fiverr.com. Yes, you can hire people here to do free stuff for free, and that's the reason why this link here is here, because you're going to get someone else to do and make the money for you. And if you follow and listen to everything in this video, I'm going to show you how you just get other people to do all this stuff for you, so you have a business on autopilot. That makes sense? So you can just make $300, $400, $500 a day very easily and quickly here. And what you want to do is go to Fiverr.com, scroll down, and you want to see where it says affiliates. This is important. You want to click that button, affiliates here. Are you with me, guys? Okay. Click affiliates here, and you're going to go to a page like this. Listen, it is free to sign up. It only takes about a couple of seconds here, and let me show you proof that I'm making a couple $1,000 so far here. And I haven't did anything to do this really. As you can see here, there's $4,000. Can you guys see this? $4,000 is the balance right now using this, and it's all coming from the link right here that I just showed you. And that's how you're going to get paid, right? Because you're going to send this to several people. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to link it, and you're going to just start making money. And as you can see here, I'm up $4,000 with Fiverr.com as an affiliate, right? I didn't spend any money, and it took me a lot of time. As a matter of fact, I'm in my bedroom right now while I'm doing this video for you to make money online right now. So listen, let me show you what you got to do. Once you get here, you need to go to marketing tools here. Are you guys with me? Marketing tools, okay? All marketing tools, okay? And this right here is called your affiliate link. Just copy and paste it here, and you go back to the file that I'm going to give you for free because I love you, of course. And all you have to do is link this. That's it. All you have to do is put a link right here, which is your affiliate link. Does that make sense? All right. That's making me about $4,000 plus a month right now just by doing this. And it's just so simple, and you can do it too. Just pay attention and follow. And so that's easy with Fiverr. And the thing is, when you get someone to make money for you, because all you do is hire people on Fiverr.com to do all the work for you. Like everything that you're gonna see in this video, as you listen very closely here, well, you're gonna get other people to do it for you. Why would you do it? See, listen, there's two type of ways to run a business. You either do all the work, grind, and struggle, or you have other people do the work for you. Okay, what you want to do? Comment below. Okay, it's up to you. So listen here. That's the first step. The next step, you need to go to a little site by the name of shoutout.com. Man, this makes me so much money, but I did a new account just for you, just for this video here, because I want to show you from scratch how it looks once you start to build this. And basically, this just website here, you can pay people to do a shout out on Instagram all day long. And let me show you proof. Look, if I go to browse influencers here, and this is great for people who are trying to build their followers. These are very esoteric secret websites that many people don't know about it. But imagine paying 20 bucks right now and being able to promote to 291,000 followers. And listen, you don't have to spend any money on this. I'm just giving an example. This is how people are growing their Instagram so quickly. They do stuff like this, and they can promote products, and they can kill it, right? My Instagram, I do about maybe 100,000 a month in revenue, and I don't spend a dime. Smash the like button if that's what you want to do, okay? Well, pay close attention here. So listen, how you do is this: scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you go to affiliates again here. Because remember, you got to get your affiliate link. They're going to pay you 30% every single time someone orders. See, so check it out. Every time you send this message to someone and they click, well, you're going to get paid once they enroll in these services. Because think about it. Think about how many people are trying to grow their Instagram accounts. Everybody. How many people are trying to use Instagram to make money online? It's a lot of people, such as yourself here. And very simple to do. Here's your affiliate link right here. And like I said before, all you do is link it right here. And listen, I'm going to send you this file, okay? Don't be afraid, guys. I'm going to send you this file, I promise you, okay? This stuff works, and it's very powerful, and anybody can make money online using this if you actually take your time and believe that it's possible. Now, if you're one of those negative people that you believe that you just can't make money, then please leave the video. You'll never succeed. You'll never make money with anything with that type of mentality here, okay? Now, listen, here's the next thing. And let me know if I'm moving too fast. I want to go very slow. I really want you guys to get this, okay? This is just how the big guys such as myself make so much money. Get 100,000 followers in 7 days. Everybody wants to do that, right? And you might say it's impossible. It is not impossible. You just don't know what to do. Does that make sense? But I'm Wesley Virgin. I love you, and I'm going to show you what you got to do. You go to a site by the name of embersoundworldpanel.com. Now, what you need to do, because that's going to be a very tough site to right now, in this link here, in that link that I just gave you, in the link in the description, that link is going to take you to this page right here, okay? And all it does is it gives you the opportunity to boost, okay, other people, not you, to boost their Instagram followers, likes, comments. Let me show you something. I'm going to show you something that you've never seen before. Going to get pissed off, but this is just how a lot of people do it here. Give me 1 second. I'm looking. Where am I looking for? Okay, let me sign in. Sign into. I just created this account for you today here. Give me a second. Let me sign in. Okay, are you guys with me here? And remember, if you want a free cash app, just tag many people below. Share this video, like it, and it's yours. Okay. All right, so look here. There's so many things that you can do, right? I know you guys believe. Now, personally, for my main channel, I don't do this, but I do this for other IG accounts, which my name is not on them, right? I use this to make money in different ways. So you can see here, say if you want to likes on a video, boom. Say if you wanted comments, boom, okay? So you can actually, these are called Instagram providers, Instagram suppliers, right? So specifically for this video here, we're going to focus on Instagram followers here. So think about this. The people that's going to click the link right here, they want Instagram followers. So think about it. For $5, they're going to give you 1,000 real followers. Listen, for all my skeptic people, this happens every day. I know some people say, are they fake? Are they fake? No. Some of them are, but this one is not. This is real. You have to read through this. But the great thing is this. When you give this to another person and they want to grow their Instagram account and they go here, many people do this. Many. I can't even name the people because I don't want to get in trouble. But it's a lot of people that you follow, and this is what they use, right? Because what they do is they grow it first, right? Through this method here, sending data through the IG suppliers, because what it does is it increases their clout. It increases their significance. Then people like you start to follow these people, right? Based off what you see, based off of social approval, okay? Does it make sense? But what you're going to do is, listen, you're just going to give the person a link because you're going to be an affiliate. Does that make sense? You're going to give people, you're going to be an affiliate for this site. You don't have to buy anything. Now, if you want to grow your Instagram, go for it, man. I mean, you can do comments here. You can do likes, whatever. And it's cheap to do it. You can do it in Brazil. You can do ads, anything. It's powerful. I use this on some other IG accounts, and I do about $1,000 a day. You don't know these accounts exist because my name is not on them, but it's just other ways to make money. There's too many ways to make money online, okay? So listen, the person that you give this link to, and listen, I'm going to show you exactly how to market that. It's so simple. It doesn't cost any money, and you can do this, okay? So, but if I get back here, people that click when they spend $5, well, they just gonna pay you out because you're gonna go to affiliates right here. Okay, guys, with me? They're gonna pay you out 25% every time someone puts in an order here. Okay, so every time someone does something and makes an order, and many people will do it because everybody who's somebody in the internet space uses this site. But now you know that it exists. Does that make sense? Now you may think, Wesley Virgin, why would you expose all this stuff that normal average people would never know? Because I want the little guy to win, because I used to be the little guy. The little guy is the guy that never understood how people were making money online. And I'm just letting you know how it's done. You can get pissed off at me. You can like me, love me, hate me. But this is just what it is, okay? So what you're going to do is you basically are going to send that file that's in the description below. This file, I'm giving it to you for free, okay? And I'm going to tell you how to market this in a second here. And then that's going to bring you money every time someone buys, Instagram followers, every time they buy likes, comments, whatever, you know what I mean? They're going to use this, okay? Now, stay with me here. The next link here, see, the thing is, the reason why I put so many links here, because I want to make sure and guarantee that you make over $350 per message. Does that make sense? You will make over $350 per message, okay? Smash the like button if you truly believe that. Click here to get access to a dedicated account manager. Now, listen, imagine having an account manager for your IG to do everything for you. That means you don't have to worry about it, right? But listen, it's not for you to do. It's for you to give other people the link so they can buy and you'll make commissions on autopilot. Does that make sense? I mean, I just showed you guys my balance in Fiverr. Listen, I haven't looked at this account in months, and I got $4,000 that I need to request. But it just calculates like every day I make money on autopilot. Why? Because I'm doing exactly what I'm showing you in this video to make money online using this free message to send to people to make money. If you want me to save this live, all you need to do is show me some love. Just show me some love, like it, and I'm gonna send your Cash App if you tag a bunch of people below right now. I just want to give out free money, if that's cool. All right, look, the next site is Upleap. I know you never heard of Upleap. You know why? Because you've been too busy playing video games and watching YouTube videos and allowing other people to make money. It's time for you to make money, okay? Listen, there's too many people that use this site, but a lot of people don't know about it, like you. But you know now. So basically, listen, you don't have to get an account as far as you don't have to spend any money. What you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom, okay? Click on affiliate program. Can everybody see that? Please let me know. Click affiliate program here. And you're going to click on become an affiliate now. That's it. Okay, as you can see, I just created my account today. And then you're going to go to asset. And you're going to get your referral link. That's it. Because the first thing what you have to do is the reason why I left in the description below this file. You have to make sure you link every single one of these links. Does that make sense? Okay. Now listen, when you get all your affiliate links from all the sites that I just showed you, make sure you go to bit.ly.com and you do a shortener. Okay. All you do is copy and paste the link here, shorten, then I want you to link it here. And guys, if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I always go back to these videos here, and I always let you know if you're the person that won the Cash App just by tagging people below, sharing it, and liking the video now, okay? Is that cool? That's all you got to do. Now, the question is this. Okay, Wes, I have your file. I just downloaded it. It's on the Google Drive. You just click it, and you're going to see exactly what you see here. I'm very transparent. I just give you the goods, okay, guys? And here are the links. You make sure you link it properly here. And remember, in Google Drive, all you need to do is click on the link button here, and you just mouse over like this, and you can change the link at any given time. Does that make sense? All right. You need a script, okay? Because what you're going to do is go to your IG account, and what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to people, okay? It's going to take some work from your end, but of course you could do it on autopilot. And I know what you're thinking. You said, Wesley, well, I'm lazy. Can somebody else do it for me? Absolutely. But for right now, let me get you up to like $4,000 a month. Okay? Watch this. This is going to blow your mind. What you want to do is reach out to people. What I would do is reach out to everybody that follows me or that I follow. Okay? That's what I would do. So in your Instagram account, you need to put a special script in. Okay? A special script. And what I like to do, I like to reach out to Instagram followers who have like 100 followers, 200 followers, under 1,000 followers, right? Such as you, right? So I reach out to you and I'm gonna give you this magic script. And guess what? It's free and it's for you. And I'm gonna give it to you right in this video. No BS here. Look, see this right here? Here's the script. I just script, hey, I love your page. If you want to take it to another level, grow faster, grow bigger, earn more, etc., then let me know and I will send you a free Instagram rapid growth guide. Much love and thank you for all the great content you make. That's all you got to do. You can send this to 1,000 people a day. I mean, why not? Because what's going to happen is they're going to get this right here. This is what they're going to get right here. You see that? They're going to get this right here. They're going to get this file. And in the file, they're going to read these words, okay? Read this content, okay? And they're going to click. Some will sign up, some won't. But there's no way that you can average $200 and $300 a day. I mean, it's just almost impossible if you put in the work. And listen, if you're super lazy, you may say, Wesley, I'm going to like this video, but I'm lazy, Wes. You know, I'm going to like you, but I'm lazy, okay? But listen, check this out. That's all you need to do. Go back to Fiverr.com. Right? And hire somebody. Just type in virtual assistant. I do this all the time, honestly. And it's so funny. People charge you money just to do videos like this, but I don't do that. Look at it. This is what I do, honestly. And I hire somebody for like $5 and I say, hey, do this for me. That's it. You can give them access to your Instagram account or you can create a new one and have them reach out to 1,000 people per day. It's up to you. 2,000 people. You can have them do the work. But listen. This is very important. You got to make sure your affiliate links, once you download it and you click on every link on the file that I'm going to give you, make sure that you put your link here. Not my link, your link, okay? You test it first, make sure they work, then you put your link here. That's very important, okay? Then you download it and you just give it to the Fiverr guy and let them do all the work for you and say, hey, contact 1,000 people per day on the Instagram account. Just reach out to people, my followers, reach out to people that's under 1,000 followers because everybody wants to grow their IG and watch the magic happens. And the great thing about it, this is the juicy part. Once they click on those links, those pixels, that cache, which is the cookie, is left on their computer for about 3 months, which means is if they come back to that site within 3 months, you get paid. And yes, it's worldwide, baby. Smash the like button if you got any value. Right now, I want to give out 1 cash app, but I'm going to give out 5 cash app in this video. And we're talking about up to $100. If you want that, up to $100, I'm just going to give a ton of money today because I just feel like doing it. Comment below. Tag as many people as humanly possible. The more that you share this video, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, is up to you. I'm going to comment below in this video and you're going to win the free cash app. Hey guys, thanks for subbing to the channel. Tomorrow I got a brand new video. It's going to blow the socks off your feet. And I'm going to leave a couple of videos that you see on the screen right now. Go check it out. Go make money online. Let's go.